Brad Gill of NextHome Lifestyles. Welcome to another Lifestyles listing. You know, I'm really excited to take you guys on the tour of this really well done, recently updated single family home located right here in the heart of charming Cambrian Park. Come home to 5695 Lilac Blossom Lane and enjoy its bright open floor plan and modern updates. With 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,242 square feet of immaculate interior living space, an attached 2-car garage, and sitting on a sizable 6,000 square foot lot. Entertaining is easy in this spacious living and dining room, highlighted by a gas fireplace and gorgeous refinished hardwood floors. Conversations with guests are easy during meal preparations in this recently updated kitchen, featuring maplewood cabinetry, granite slab countertops, stainless steel appliances, recessed lighting, and an expansive breakfast bar perfect for casual dining. Moving down the hallway, you'll find 3 well-sized bedrooms, ensuring ample space for relaxation and privacy, as well as a hall bathroom with a shower over bathtub setup. The primary bedroom suite offers refinished hardwood flooring and an updated ensuite bathroom featuring an expanded shower stall. Adjacent to the kitchen, you'll discover access to the backyard retreat. Here, you'll find a spacious patio, perfect for outdoor dining and entertaining. The mature landscaping adds to the tranquility of the space, and there's plenty of room for backyard gardening enthusiasts to exercise their green thumbs. Residents of this neighborhood benefit from an incredibly commuter-friendly location within Silicon Valley, as they are within close proximity to major technology employers, as well as local parks, excellent schools, and a wide array of shopping, dining, and entertainment destinations. It's been such a pleasure showing you this wonderful home today. I'm Brad Gill with NextHome Lifestyles, and I'd like to invite you to come see it in person. Thank you so much for watching. Find your next home today exclusively at 5695 Lilac Blossom Lane in Cambrian Park.